Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
The act of making something, a product, from raw materials. Manufacturing is vital to Great Britain. Writing in a fictional form. The act of constructing something, as a piece of machinery. The act of making something, a product, from raw materials. The synthesis and fabrication of single crystals. The deliberate act of deviating from the truth. A deliberately false or improbable account. The organized action of making of goods and services for sale. Concoct something artificial or untrue. The act of making something, a product, from raw materials. An improvement in the manufacture of explosives. Put together out of artificial or natural components or parts. They manufacture small toys. Create or produce in a mechanical way. Produce naturally. This gland manufactures a specific substance only. The act of creating something that is different from the materials that went into it. Geology, the geological features of the Earth. The act of forming or establishing something. The act of fabricating something in a particular shape. An arrangement of people or things acting as a unit. A defensive formation. A particular spatial arrangement. Creation by mental activity. The formation of sentences. Natural process that causes something to form. The formation of gas in the intestine. Deliberately ambiguous and contradictory language used to mislead and manipulate the public. The welfare state brought its own newspeak. The manufacture of sections of a building at the factory so they can be easily and rapidly assembled at the building site. Any process serving to define the shape of something. The act of fabricating something in a particular shape. Forming or capable of forming or molding or fashioning.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.